Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So today I've got this little master lock, kind of like a deadbolt kind of thing. I don't really like a shed lock maybe. So, oh, we're stuck. All right. Let's see what kind of damage we can do here, if any. So far, I'm batting 1,000 with these locksmith locks. With definitely not doing great. So, and when I say batting 1,000, I mean batting 1,000 for getting my butt handed to me. Okay. Okay. Hoo-hoo! And there we go. Ah, finally. All right. So that's that little master lock. Picked and opened. All right, guys. I'll catch you later.